Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are good. So our today's topic is about the common abbreviations used in civil engineering. Okay, so these questions are actually important for all those people who do want to go for civil engineering interviews, for site engineering jobs, or some PPSC or somewhat like that. Okay, the topic is common abbreviations used in civil engineering. Okay, so I am just talking about this common abbreviation so that you may memorize this, because these are going to help you during like the first thing will be civil engineering interviews, CE interviews. The second thing, it will help you in drawing study. The number 3 is it will help you during technical reports study. And number 4, and the most important, it's going to help you during job interviews. Okay, like someone is going to ask you that what does this BUQ means, what does this BUF means, and all these things. So I am going to talk about some of the very much important abbreviations which are used in civil engineering. Okay, so these are important for GATE exams as well. Okay, so starting from word A, what are the common abbreviations starting from word A? So the first one is ASHTO. Okay, this is a term that is mostly related to transportation engineering, which is actually American Association of State Highway Transport. So ASHTO green books, you would have heard of it, and ASHTO design books, you would have heard of it. These are used for transportation engineers basically. The number second, which is regarding the US codes, is ACI. Okay, this is for American Concrete Institute. Okay, this is also, sorry, this is American, not American. Okay, so this is American Concrete Institute. This is important for structural designers specifically, and for all those people who do work on American codes, American design code. The number 3 is AREA. Okay, this is used for American Railway Engineering Association. This is for all those people who are going to work in railway engineering or who are going to study railway engineering. Okay, the fourth important one is ASTM. I am sure that if you have if you have worked as a lab engineer, if you are going to go for the interview of lab engineer, so you will have to go through ASTM. ASTM is for American Society for Testing Materials. Okay, so this is also an important video for an important MCQs for all those people who are going to go for the interview of lab engineer or who are going to work as a material engineer. So ASTM is for all those people. Now the last one in the word A is AC, which is also related to transportation, and that is for asphalt core. Okay, so AC is for asphalt concrete. Okay, so this was for the word A and related to the design codes and material. So now I am going to the word B. Okay, the word B, I am going to write it for you here, that what are the important abbreviations that starts from word B. Okay, so the first thing in this regard is the BM. Okay, and BM is used for two different terminology. The number one is the bench mark, which is a term used in civil engineering surveying. Okay, and the number second, BM, is used for bending moment. Okay, so benchmark and bending moment, these benchmark is a term that is used in civil engineering surveys, while the bending moment is a term that is used in structural engineering or during calculation process of structural property or structural forces. Okay, the number third one, number first, this is the number second. The number second is, it is an important, okay, BOF, and this is used for bottom of foundation. Okay, bottom of foundation. So if you are studying civil engineering, if you are studying a building drawing or any drawing, if there is written BOF everywhere, it will mean that they are referring it to the bottom of foundation. Now the number third, you would have heard of it, BOQ. If you are working as a quantity surveys, it is for bill of quantities. Okay, so BOQ is used for bill of quantities. Okay, so this was for the word B. Now I am moving to word C. Okay, so in word C, the first and the most important is CBW. Okay, CBW, which is actually concrete block wall. Okay, and the a related term to this is CMU, which is concrete masonry unit, and to this CMU or concrete masonry unit we call it a block in normal word. Okay, so CBW and CMU are almost the same things. Now the second one is CC,